Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of s from this exponential equation. We're given that x raised to the power of 5 plus x raised to the power of 5 plus x raised to the power of 5 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 11. And we are asked to solve for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So if you look at the left hand side of this equation, we notice that we are adding the same thing 3 times. X to power 5, x to power 5, x to power 5. So the left hand side is the same as how many x to power 5 are we adding? Is 3. So it's going to be 3 of x raised to the power of 5, and everything will be equal to 3 raised to the power of 11. Now the next thing we're going to do, remember we're looking for the value of x. We're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x to power 5, which is 3. So we divide the left hand side by 3 and also the right hand side by 3, so that this 3 is going to eliminate this 3. So in the left hand side we are left with x to power 5, which is going to be equal to 3 to the power of 11 divided by 3. As you can see, the bases are the same, and this 3 can also be written as 3 raised to the power of 1. So we're going to recall division property of indices. When the bases are the same, so we're going to subtract the power. So we write one of the base, then we subtract the power. The first power is 11 minus the second power, which is 1. Okay, so this is going to be equal to what? X raised to the power of 5 will be equal to 3 raised to the power of 11 minus 1, of course, is going to give us 10. Now we have x raised to the power of 5 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 10. How are we going to get the value of x? First of all, as you can see, when x is raised to the power of 5, our interest is to get 5 solutions that will satisfy this equation. But first of all, we're going to look for a one solution, a real number that will satisfy. So we're going to find a way to eliminate this power, which is 5. So to do that, we're going to raise both sides to 1 over 5. So when we do that, we're going to have x raised to the power of 5 all over 1 over 5, which is equal to 2 raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of 1 over 5. So when we do that, this 5 can cancel this 5. Then the left hand side we are left with only x. X to power 1 is the same as x, which is going to be equal to 3. Then 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 5 is going to give us 2. So we're going to have x to be equal to 3 to power 2 imply 3 multiplied by 3, which is going to give us 9. So this 9 is one of the solution. But remember, the power here is 5. So our interest is to get 5 solution. But with this 5 is only a real number that will satisfy this equation. The remaining other solutions are complex number. So in our next video, we're going to provide a solution to a complete solution, whether real or a complex number. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow this page for more video like this. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow this page for more video like this.